PHA is the name of the Portland Health Alliance, or the abbreviation of Portland Health Alliance, which also includes WellPDX. And WellPDX is actually what we started it as. It started as this kind of brainchild between Amber and I of how can we get the Portland community more and more educated about its healthcare options, as well as promoting health and healthy businesses among health practitioners in Portland, because there's so many of us, and people often think that the market's flooded with practitioners, but really the proportion of the population that utilizes our services is fairly low. So our hypothesis is that it's not about there being a flooded market, it's about that really the market and the area being so full of practitioners offers a huge opportunity to educate the Portland public about the amazing health options they have. So Portland Health Alliance is the organization that's really an organization of practitioners, and we have practitioner events and practitioner support in all different modalities for health. And then WellPDX is the public face of the Portland Health Alliance, which is our practitioner listing and is a website we're working to build into a huge resource for healthcare information in general and regarding all these different modalities.
Exactly, and we're really trying with WellPDX to engage the whole community. So as much as it's a practitioner listing, we're also starting to work on bringing other businesses that aren't necessarily healthcare providers into the mix and into the community, because things like health gyms and grocery stores, healthy cooking classes, and people who do gluten-free meals, things like that. They're all part of this community as well, but because they're not practitioners and don't really fit into the practitioner listing thing, we're trying to find ways to really bring them in to the fold as well, and have the whole thing working as, you know, not to be cliche, but to have it working as holistically as possible, so that we're bringing in as many different types of businesses that make people's health better as we possibly can into one place. And so the idea is to have WellPDX be a really comprehensive resource for the public, and we're really excited about it. We think it has a lot of potential, and we're going to work our hardest to make sure that it is what it can be.
Yeah, and I'd say our goal is really to empower both practitioners and the community to just be as healthy as possible, to realize that a lot of our health is in our own hands, but then that there's also a lot of help out there, and to really feel empowered to make those choices and to discover the health solutions that are possible. Our idea is that there are a lot of people who just don't know they're out there, so we want to change that.